In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your file to HostGator File Manager and seamlessly share it with others. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to upload your file to HostGator's File Manager. Log into your HostGator account and navigate to the cPanel. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Files and click on File Manager. This is where you'll access all the files related to your website. If you're asked where you'd like to start, go with the web root option. Within File Manager, choose the directory where you want to upload your file. If it's a new file, you might want it in the public HTML folder so that it's easily accessible from the web. To upload, look for the Upload button typically found in the top control bar, then simply drag and drop your file into this area or use the Select File option to locate it on your computer. After your file has been successfully uploaded, you'll need to grab its URL. Head over to the File Manager once again and find your file in the directory you placed it. Right-click on the file to open additional options and select Copy URL. This will provide you with the direct link to your hosted file, though it might be long and not very easy to remember. Next, let's log into your Cloudflare account. Cloudflare not only helps with website performance, but also gives you options to customize how URLs appear. Once logged in, navigate to your domain and find the Page Rules section. This is where you can create a page rule or a URL redirect to mask or shorten your original file link from HostGator. Simply click on Create Page Rule and enter the URL you copied earlier. Under the Then the Settings Are field, choose Forwarding URL and then input your desired custom link. Here, you have the opportunity to make your link more professional and user-friendly. Finally, it's time to share the custom link you've just set up. With the link masked or shortened via Cloudflare's page rules, it's not only easier to share, but also provides a seamless experience for your users. Share this link with anyone who needs to download the file, whether it's through email, social media, or any other platform. Your file is now ready to be easily accessed by others. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on uploading a file to HostGator, copying its URL, and sharing it using a custom link. By following these steps, you ensure that your file is not only accessible, but also presented in a way that's professional and easy to share. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped simplify the process for